Welcome to a dreary weekend. Areas of fog, drizzle, some occasional showers. Can't rule out a storm to the east. Here's a look at your Saturday forecast. Good news for us. It looks like those storms will be well to the east of our area. Houston points east still could see some strong to severe thunderstorms. For us, you know what? The fog has been a blessing. It's keeping us more stable. It's also keeping temperatures cooler, but I do still think that it will land in the low to mid 60s for most areas by late in the afternoon. Visibilities have actually improved quite a bit earlier, near zero with fog, and temperature up to around 60 by 2 o'clock in the afternoon for Austin. 71 though in LaGrange, tapping into some of that more warm, unstable air. Overall, quite a bit warmer than yesterday when we only saw a high of 42 degrees. That was also our low this morning at midnight. Since then, we've seen temperatures on the rise. So as of mid-afternoon, we're looking at still some lingering fog, but improving conditions from Hays to Travis to Bastrop to Caldwell to Milam counties. And as the rest of the day wears on, we should see some more thinning of the overcast out west in the hill country like Mason and Gillespie counties. Sunshine developing. Those spots could see highs in the 70s. As for the storm threat, I'm pleased to say it looks as though we are going to avoid anything more than just some spotty showers, mainly to the east of I-35 through the rest of the day. The drizzle and the showers from earlier have started to subside. And there's where all the storms are firing up, with a warm front lifting to the north. Included in that risk, the possibility of some rotating storms for our friends in southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana. Rainfall totals not all that impressive. Some of the highest, about 1/4 of an inch in parts of Caldwell County. Most areas, generally about 1/10 of an inch or less. But hey, it didn't take much moisture to at least help the cedar fever situation. We don't get official allergy counts on weekends, but your nose probably knows what my nose knows, which was it's not so bad out there. All right, so there's the lay of the land. We've got the warm front lifting to the north. It's in the areas south and east of that warm front with the biggest concerns for any rotation and any possible severe thunderstorms. So that would be the biggest threats for our friends to the east. For us, no worries about anything adverse as we continue through the overnight, nor on Sunday when that risk continues to spread even farther to the east. For us, we actually have a cold front on the way for tomorrow. What that will mean is after highs make it into the 60s to near 70 degrees for parts of the area, depending on how much clearing we see, tomorrow we're going to be not much warmer. In fact, with the cold front pushing through in the morning hours, it looks as though we'll see temperatures start out in the 40s to low 50s first thing in the morning. Winds shift out of the northwest and north, kicking up about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then through the rest of the day, that cooler air is filtering in. So I'm only forecasting a high temperature now on Sunday of about 64 degrees in Austin. You may only see 50s in the hill country as that cooler air comes in. Now here's the dilemma. Computer models are trending a bit cooler for early Monday. I think we might see partly cloudy skies. If we're stuck in the clouds, then temperatures may stay a little bit warmer. If we see partly cloudy conditions, temperatures may be a little bit cooler. For now, I've knocked our low temperature by Monday morning down to 39 degrees. More cloud cover, it's a little warmer. Less cloud cover, it's a little bit cooler. And then that could pave the way perhaps for freezing temperatures for much of the area by Tuesday morning. How much more rain could we see? Most areas are probably done with it, but can't rule out a little bit of drizzle, mainly I-35 points east. And any spots that do see any precipitation, it'll be pretty limited. So here's where we stand. Temperatures probably going to only manage another few degrees for Saturday with highs in the low mid 60s, and then Sunday again highs in the low to mid 60s. Looking ahead to next week, we'll be cooler behind Sunday's cold front. Highs right now looking like upper 50s on the Monday Tuesday time frame. One thing that I have shifted considerably is it now looks like a weather maker that I had thought might move in Wednesday Thursday of next week now might be more like next Friday Saturday. So as a result, I've upped the high on Wednesday to 65. I've upped the high on Thursday up to 72 degrees, and I think we could see our heat peak next Friday. How about 74 degrees? Indications are for now, another cold front might push through next Friday night into the following Saturday morning, bringing cooler temperatures. Until then, speaking of cool, I've dropped the low Tuesday morning down to 33 in Austin, which means pretty much anywhere outlying probably going to see a freeze. That's your latest weather update. I am in later on this afternoon and evening for Avery to Moscow, so I hope to see you on CBS Austin News at 6 and 10 p.m. You can always check online, cbsaustin.com. weather. Take care.